Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a premium subscription box, and this is from Cohorted. So this month theme is Think Pink in support of breast cancer awareness. So if you want to see what's inside Cohorted October 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, if you're new to Cohorted, this is a monthly premium subscription box because it costs £39.99, and you will get premium beauty products from skincare to makeup. And this subscription box, love, is quite different because it's 1 month front. So it means if you subscribe today, you won't receive this box, but you will receive the next one. However, you will still pay this month, which is $39.99, and you will pay also on the first of the month, which is another £39.99. So it's quite expensive, this subscription box. So this month Cohorted and theme is Think Pink, and this one in support of breast cancer awareness. And you get your black box as usual. They did this theme last year to lovelies, and it was really good. I missed that one last year. And also, lovelies, I forgot to tell that you can still purchase this box, but as a one-off box, and it will cost you like around £50 plus the shipping fee. And then we have all the products inside. Let's see each one. So this month, lovelies, the box is worth £302. Wow, considering this box is only $39.99, this is really a good bargain. So the first product, I saw the spoiler and I was really excited of this one. Is this product here. I never heard from this brand, but I read about this product and I am really curious to try. Since this is from Redwi, I hope I pronounce it properly, Boost. This is the machine. I just opened the machine, lovelies. So when you open it, so you have the product, and then inside here you have your USB to charge it, and the instruction and scan also to register this one. So yes, I was really excited about this product because I really heard good reviews about this product and this item, lovelies. And this product, it's retail for £479. Wow. And this one, lovelies, it says Boost does this by using diamagnetics to provide better absorption and deeper penetration of active ingredients in these products, ensuring far better skincare results. In addition, using LED lights, Boost provides a personalized treatment for you and your skin as well. So yes, lovelies, this product, you can apply all your like serum or moisturizer, and then apply this one, will absorb more on your face. Yes, I really can't wait to try this product. It says provide better absorption and deeper penetration of active ingredients. So yes, I'm really excited for that one. And then the next product we have here, this is one of my favorite products. I repurchased this product many times, and this is from Benefit, the Precisely Brow Pencil in the shade 3 Warm Light Brown. It's a bit risky, lovelies, to put inside an brow pencil in subscription boxes, in my opinion, because you don't have the same like hair color. So yes, here is the product. I think this is just a travel size, lovely. So this is the product. It's a very thin one, but I love this product. It lasts throughout the day. It's easily to apply. It's very thin. And the only thing I would say, lovely, is it does include that lid. I don't have it here. And this one, it's retail for £12.50, so this is just a travel size. And then the next one we have here, another product from Benefit. This is the Roller Lash Mascara. And this one, it's a travel size 2, and it's retail for £8.65. And the applicator, it does look like this, lovelies. I hope you can see it. Here we go. And then the next product we have here, it's not on the like in the app. We have from Living Proof Restore. This is the shampoo and conditioner, and this is a full size, lovelies. It has 236 ml, and I never tried shampoo and conditioner from Living Proof. I only tried their dry shampoo but never tried their shampoo and conditioner. It smells fresh. I will definitely try this. And here it says a deeply fortifying shampoo engineered to gently cleanse hair while reversing damage, making it look and feel healthier, color safe, silicone free, and sulfate free. And then the next product we have here, and this is from Strivectin. This is the Dark Circle Brightening Eye Serum, and this is a full size. And this one too, lovelies, it's not on the app. And this one, it says visibly corrects stubborn dark under eye circle with the power of vitamin C. This lightweight and refreshing gel serum targets discoloration with a potent stabilized form of vitamin C, word I can pronounce, suitable for use around the eyes, plus guava leaf extract and brightening botanicals correct the look of both blue and brown dark circles while visibly firming this delicate skin. So yeah, we'll try this one. And this is a full size, I think. This is quite massive, the product. And the last product we have here, it is a sample size from Obvious perfume samples. They always include a perfume samples here, which is not bad. Oh, it has like cleaning product. It smells like that. It smells nice, clean. Oh, smells really nice. So yes, that's all, lovelies. Let's do a recap. So this month you will receive from Strivectin the Multi-Action Super C Dark Circle Brightening Eye Serum, and you also receive from Benefit the Roller Blush Mascaras, the travel size, and a travel size pencil. Precisely my brow pencil in the shade 3, and I'm not sure why there's no lid in here. And then you will receive also 2 full-size products from Living Proof, the Restore Shampoo and Conditioner. And then you will get also the Ridui Boost, which I'm so excited to try. So yes, that's all, lovelies. Overall, this month, lovelies, as I said, I was really excited to receive this box because of this one, but I wasn't expecting the Living Proof one, which I'm really excited to try. And you get full size shampoo and conditioner, but also the Benefit one. I know I tried those before, and I know I really like those. And the Strivectin one, I can't wait to try it. It sounds really wonderful, so I can't wait to try it. So yeah, that's all, lovelies. Overall, I think this is a thumbs up. And next month, lovelies, the spoiler is from Pestle and Mortar, and I post my subscription, lovelies, because I tried few of their products. It's not suitable on my skin type because it doesn't do anything on my skin, to be honest. So yeah, I post that one, so I won't do unboxing next month. So yeah, and that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this month Cohorted? Are you waiting for this box? Did you receive this box? What products are you excited about? Just let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.